कि वो स्टेज पर आएं और हम सबको अपने शब्दों से लाभान्वित करें।
So please welcome Ms. Verma, who is currently working as Assistant Professor in Subharti Institute of Technology and Engineering, Subharti University, Meerut.
First, as an ex-student of very first batch of Computer Application Department of Vidya Knowledge Park. And first of all, I would like to convey my heartily thanks to the management of Vidya Knowledge Park for inviting us so that we recreate all the mesmerizing moments of past in our mind. Just few years back, I was over there, sitting over there and performing on this stage and got lots of appreciations and prizes. But today, I'm over here to share my experience. Even just before all the experience that I have earned in last 3 years, even I share with my students too. According to me, Vidya Knowledge Park, the management especially of Vidya Knowledge Park is always with the students and especially work for the overall development of the student so that the student of Vidya Knowledge Park are defined as a scholar at the national and international level scholar. So my dear friends, if you want to be happy and successful in your life, either get satisfied with your current state, otherwise try to put best of your efforts to change your current state and achieve the deserving one. So at last I would like to say thanks to every one of you for inviting us. Thank you so much.
Honorable management, respectable directors, dear faculty members, my friends, colleagues, and dear students of Vidya Knowledge Park. Today is an important day as it gives us an occasion, an opportunity to meet many of our graduates after a long time, to interact with your former faculty and other staff members. It also enables the alumni to familiarize with the alma mater Vidya Knowledge Park. The developments of Vidya Knowledge Park, which many of you have observed by being here. It also may be a great experience for all of you to share your career experiences and advices of life which you may give to your juniors and to your colleagues. Allow me to tender my gratitude to each and every one of you for finding time to be here on the alumni meet, the first alumni meet. It must have taken a lot of effort and some sacrifice, I know, but it will be worth the experiences you will cherish of this day. As alumni who are truly in love and faithfully support the great institution Vidya Knowledge Park, I know you share my pride in what we are doing at Vidya Institute of Creative Teaching and what we plan to do. Finally, I would like to express my affection in this small message, if you can try to remember. Love your work, put your heart in everything you do, keep smiling and laughing, be fair to others, and do good whenever you can. Be brave enough to live a life of creativity. I, on behalf of all of us at Vidya Knowledge Park, congratulate you on your success and urge you to stay involved with VICT, that is Vidya Institute of Creative Teaching, your alma mater. Until we meet again, may God bless you as He has blessed me. Thank you all.
The further commencement, And to set the stage on fire, here comes a group dance performance by Ms. Ruchi Tiwari and Ms. Deepika Parashar of Vidya Institute of Creative Technology. It's Vidya Institute of Creative Teaching, batch 2013. Currently, they are teaching in National Public School, Shasti Nagar, Meerut. So please give them a big applause. So please give her a huge round of applause. Ms. Rashmi Sharma.
आ रहा है
So don't mind please. बिल वो कॉलेज की सीडी, वो प्यार भरी बातें,
वो सिलेबस
की टेंशन, वो एग्जाम की रातें,
वो कैंटीन की पार्टी, वो बर्थडे की लातें,
वो रूट न मनाना, वो बंक मुलाकातें,
लाइब्रेरी में हो सोना टेम्परी,
वो म्यूजिक, वो मूवी, वो कार्ड्स का मैजिक,
प्रपोजल की प्लानिंग में रात का गुजरना,
फिर क्लास में पीछे की सीट पर सोना,
लाइब्रेरी में जाकर चेहरों को पढ़ना,
बेतुकी बातों पर कुछ ज्यादा ही हंसना,
वो अपनी पसंद को दोस्तों की भाभी बताना,
वो एक ही घंटों पर